my mobile detailing people. What's going on? Welcome back to another detailing video. In this video, we're gonna be talking about how to keep your maintenance clients, how to keep that good relationship, and just be yourself. Let's talk about it.
So wait, for people who don't know, how much of your business is new clients and how much are maintenance clients?
I have more new clients than anything. I have about 18 to 20 maintenance, and a lot of people are repeat clients, but they haven't committed. A lot of people have a hard time with commitment. Keep your wife, man. All right, keep your girlfriend. Stop. That's a problem now we have here, guys.
What would you say is the bloodline of a detailing business? Maintenance or new clients?
I would say new clients because it's steady work, steady income. Who wants to freestyle all their lives and not really know? That's where it's at, so that you know what you're making, you know? So I would say maintenance, but me personally, I would say a variety. You know what I mean? But the objective, of course, is to see their face again. And a lot of the times I have a lot of clients who just don't want to commit, but they want to keep rebooking and paying the full price, which is very weird to me. But hey, and I tell them every time I come out, you know you're paying full price again. Do you want to book? Eventually, whether that be 6 months to a year, they'll finally give in after seeing me so many times. But I would say it's not a trick, it's personality. It's how you maintain your clients. You know what I mean? Be yourself, check in with them. If you're not a people's person, you might want to hire somebody who is. I'm gonna just tell you that right now. Have somebody that'll communicate with them and build a relationship with them, because it gets personal. You know what I mean? Here in this world, we're based on love, man. Everybody wants to be loved. And how I maintain is communicating. How you doing? How was your doctor's appointment? How's your son? And, you know, listen to what they're saying and show them that you care. You know what I mean? And it's not just about the money. So that's mainly how I maintain maintenance, is that right there. That's the number one thing.
Got it. Now, every new client, do you pitch them the maintenance or it just depends?
Every new client, I do. Not everybody. I kind of base it off of the vibe. How quick they come in, how much they want to conversate. I pay attention to if they like the detail or not, and it's just on their energy. So if a person comes up to me and they're like, "Thank you, looks good," I'm not about, "Excuse me, sir, hey." If I like, "Oh, it looks amazing, man, wow," and then I'll be like, "Hey, by the way." So I just pay attention to how they react. And sometimes not everybody's reactions is the same. So you may get somebody that, "Thank you, have a good one," and all along they go and leave an amazing review. So you can't always judge it off of that, but for the most part, that's what I pay attention to.
When you pitch them maintenance, is it every week, bi-weekly, monthly, or custom?
I don't like to go over a month. So it could be weekly, bi-weekly, every 3 weeks, a month. But anything over that is, I don't go for it. Unless it's somebody I really, really like and I want to take care of them, but I don't try to go over that.
Pricing. Do they get a huge discount by joining your maintenance? How do you do that? Or depends on the vehicle, depends on the condition?
Dang, Reyes, you good with these questions, man.
Hey, I work really hard, bro. I work really hard.
That's what's up. I would say I keep it between 100 and 125 for the maintenance. So my starting price is 165 for maintenance for sedans, and then it goes all the way up to 265. So they're saving, 165 for a sedan, and it's only 85. So you can see the price difference, definitely.
Now, one of the biggest issues you mentioned was commitment.
Right.
Why do you think that happens?
I think, like I said, people have a hard time with committing because they don't know if they're going to be able to fulfill. They'll be like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it consistently every 3 weeks. Like I just had a guy before here he does every month, and he told me he doesn't want to do the monthly. He wants to give me 3 days in advance for that monthly, because just because he commits, he doesn't know if he's going to be able to fulfill that. So, you know, he who finds a wife finds a good thing. Commitment, you guys. Come on, stop playing.
All right, Wayne. So you have a lot of maintenance clients. Have you ever showed up for the maintenance, but it's way dirtier than it should be? Is that an upcharge, or do you keep it the same price?
It definitely is an upcharge, and I do sometimes, but sometimes, most of the time, I'll take a hit, because it's mainly the relationship and them supporting. So it may be extra dog hair, you know what I mean? And it should be extra 25. I'll let them know, like, hey, this would have been extra 25 because it was excessive, but I decided to go ahead and waive that, and I appreciate your business. So that happens a lot. You know, they go on a big trip with the family, come back to a car destroyed, and I'll take care of them. And those are the clients that are sticking around the most. So don't always sit there and try to nickel and dime every little thing. You know, show them that you appreciate them, you know? And of course, they're gonna look out for you. They know it was excessively bad. You clean it, you take 3 hours instead of, you know, 45 minutes to an hour. They're gonna see that. And they tip normally if they care also. So it goes both ways. There's another thing I wanna elaborate on. When you have a portfolio of like people, clients, and you have their phone numbers and emails, we have to figure out a way to reach out to them, because I got 1,100 plus people that clean their cars. There's no reason why I should be out servicing new cars, new clients, right? So I feel like if you have a big portfolio, focus on the people you already have. So that's something that I'm focusing on. I'm speaking to myself right now. So I'm gonna be focusing on that. I built on my app, on my platform that I just designed. We have a marketing platform embedded in with the app. So I'm gonna be sending out automated messages, you know, once a month to get people to subscribe to the maintenance. If you guys are interested in the Detailer app, that's the name of it in the description down below, Detailer app. I see a lot of people in the comments like, what's the name? We don't have a name currently right now, but the name is the company of, it's your company pretty much. So that's the name of it. Another way you can maintain is gift some of your clients. You know, come up with little gift bags and gift cards to Starbucks, or electronic gift card. That was something that I did before. So reward them for, hey, my #1 client that's been with me since day one for the years I've been in business, I told him to go ahead and give somebody else with a free wash. So think of little stuff like that to let them know you care. But other than that, that's a wrap, you guys. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Comment down below. Let's talk about how we keep our clients, how you get clients to book for our maintenance, and whatever other ideas you guys have, comment it down below. Guys, have a blessed one.